In this video, I'll show you how to replace the waste toner container. Make sure that the device has stopped copying or printing, and then open the front cover. Place a few sheets of paper onto the floor. This makes for an easy cleanup if any toner spills. Open the waste toner container cover and then grasp the handle of the container with one hand and pull it out halfway. Then use both hands to remove the container from the device. Place the used waste toner container into the plastic bag provided with the new waste toner container. Take the new container from the box and remove all packaging. Grasp the top, middle section of the new container and slide it into the device until it clicks into position. Then close the waste toner cover. Now close the front door.